Yo, guys, I haven't posted in a long time, so I just wanted to come on here and share my thoughts about this current market conditions and how it's like obviously it's been crazy. So I just want to show you guys how I'm dealing with it, obviously as like a profitable and funded trader. And yeah, so my last video was me getting funded 150K and just showing you, I think showing you guys the trades that I took to get that funded account. So update on that, it's doing very good right now. I'm currently at 4 out of 5 winning days before I could take a payout, and I'm up over $8,000 on the account. So I'm just trying to stay patient, bro, and that's kind of why I did this video, kind of for me to keep patient and during these market conditions and not forcing trades and just to show you guys like yo I'm still here, bro, and I didn't like lose the account, nothing happened, bro, but I just want to keep you guys updated. So yeah, let's just talk about this bullshit that happened. So yo, today, bro, you see, okay, this by the way is actually a big move because this is what it should have looked like, right? We're like, okay, we're like tanking right now, and then all of a sudden a huge move. It's hard to even put this into perspective, but bro, these candles, bro, you don't understand. Like, bro, like this one candle is actually a huge 1 minute candle, bro. It's just it obviously all these candles around it are also really big because of the crazy volatility. But yeah, bro. So basically, I've been trying to tell you in my other videos, you guys have to stay patient, bro. Like don't force trades. And I know it's easy to say, bro, don't force trades. But yo, trust me when I say this, bro. Like if you start forcing trades, it just ruins your fucking whole thing. So I just wanted to show you guys that, bro, I'm here with you guys, and I've also not been taking that many trades, and because there's not very a lot of quality trades. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this. Obviously, this day is, if you guys are watching when I upload this, is fucking April 7th. It's been fucking crazy, bro. Like you could have found the trade, of course. Like obviously, it's possible. But bro, just to show you, look at the difficult market conditions, bro. We're going all the way down, tanking, and we've been tanking, bro. Look at this huge dip over here, and a big gap. So we've been obviously because of the tariff news, we've been tanking hella hard. And then you see, bro, just a huge spike all the way back up, all the way to like taking out some of this liquidity over here, and then all the way back down. And then obviously now we're just somewhat consolidating. But yeah, bro, that today you could not find a trade. So don't feel sorry if you lost or if you took a trade, but just know if you lost a trade, bro, you have to realize when market conditions are tough, you can't be forcing trades unless they're like perfect trades. And I just want to show you more examples of that because obviously I was gonna show you like all these days, and but you guys get the point. It's hella volatile, right? These huge spikes on the 1 minute. This is a 1 minute time frame, by the way. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, bro. Like, look at this is my trade like journal, as you guys seen probably in many of my videos. Like every month, I have like a trade journal that I keep a track of all my trades. 2 trades this month, one win and one loss, and obviously the win is like significantly more than the loss. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the win real quick, and just to show you, bro. Look, this is what I'm taking, bro, on these conditions, like super obvious setups. Okay, so we get a clear. This is final hour, by the way. Clear big displacement down. Where are the liquidity resting in the market in the final hour that we need to take out? Right. It's obviously these clean highs over here, and there's more highs here. That's why I have this line stretched across. But hella highs over here, another high over here. So, bro, it's obvious, right? We break structure towards upside. I don't take any bullshit here because I don't find this significant enough, and it's not after the time that I trade. Another re-entrance, I don't take it because it's not into a fair value gap, and I'm waiting for the actual final hour macro to start. So then we go over, break again, market structure shift again, trade into the fair value gap. That's where I enter. My stop is safe below this order block, not only below the fair value gap, even though it would have worked. So, bro, I need to stop talking hella fast. I know someone commented that shit. Let me chill. But yeah, that's just to show you, bro. You have to only take A plus setups, no matter if you can't find a setup for a long time, just like I haven't. It's April 7th, bro. The last trade I took is on the 2nd. 5 days where I haven't traded. And if I don't trade tomorrow, it's gonna be the 8th tomorrow. So even if I find a trade, it's 6 days between one trade and then the next. Okay, so and it might not even happen tomorrow, right? It's just the point is just not to force it, okay? And let me give you just show you in comparison to March, bro. There's obviously so many trades, bro. 10, 11, 13, 14, another 14. You get what I'm saying, right? So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you guys, like from the trades I taken. Actually, I'm gonna show you the loss as well. But yeah, so this is the daily bias of it. So enters into this fair value gap, clear displacement. So I'm like, okay, obviously I'm looking for shorts. It obviously doesn't happen. We enter into a high time frame fair value gap, and we take out liquidity, and then we break structure and enter into fair value gap. I'm gonna take that. But bro, you see the market conditions? Crazy move up, another crazy move up, bro. We had double legs just going all the way up, bro. And as you know now, a few days later, we're just tanking, bro. So obviously the news, bro, tariff news, the Trump speech at 4 p.m. one day, and there was obviously NFP week this week. So it's just horrible conditions. Obviously, you could still find winning trades. I'm still up this month. Obviously, it's like a short sample because it's only been 7 days, and obviously the weekends, so like 5 days realistically. But yeah, so I just wanted to come here and show that. And also, just as like if you guys are still on this video, I just want to show you that it's actually possible to find these trades. I'll show you guys what you could have done on the NFP Thursday and NFP Friday as an ICT trader, that you could have actually took logical setups that would have actually won. But personally, I didn't take it. You guys seen my journal. I'm not trying to say that I took these trades, but this is me marking up the charts while it's happening, but obviously low probability conditions, so I didn't take them. Anyways, oh no, this is the one I lost. Sorry, my bad. But yeah, April 3rd. Let's see, the daily bias that we got going on here is bearish because but price might fill the 4 hour fair value gap more, but before continuing lower. So that's basically my insight. It's not really a clear bias, but it's like what's going on in my mind, so I could realize what the not realize, bro. So I could envision what the market conditions are like going into the AM session. So as you can see, obviously I said it was kind of a bearish bias, and it ended up being bearish. So we took out this liquidity here, we make a move to downside. But you see, look at this bullshit, bro. Like, look how ugly this is. Like, I'm sorry, bro. You could find a trade, but bro, let's be real. And 10 a.m. news right here. This is crazy. NFP Thursday, but this is like PMI or some bullshit news. But yeah. So bro, we break. Well, no, actually, we don't really break structure. We have a mark structure shift somewhat. We go back up into this fair value gap first presented. I think fair value gap, maybe not, but yeah, into a fair value gap, and we start going down. Obviously, even if I was trading, I'm gonna wait for the 10 a.m. red folder news, which you guys should do too, especially in these market conditions, bro. Don't take some stupid shit right before the news, because even if it does play out, bro, you know that it wasn't a safe move. So okay. Anyways, 10 a.m. news happens. Some bullshit. It wasn't even a big news, and everyone was kind of. I saw people like saying, "Bro, that this news candle looks like a regular candle, just like based off these crazy ass price action." That's how like that's just to show you, bro, how retarded this price action is. But yeah, anyways, so we break down further, okay, re-enter into the fair value gap. Of course, now this is actually somewhat of a good setup. We enter right into consequent encroachment, but not before this little consolidation, which you don't really want to see, as well as, bro, not to mention how crazy this price action was before. So yeah, you could take it. It happened. It went down further a bit and then re-enter into the fair value gap, but ultimately went down to your take profit and even lower. But yeah, so that's just to show you it's possible to win these setups using ICT concepts even in these horrible market conditions. But personally, bro, it's not worth it for me. I'm not like you could probably lose many trades in here if like there's so many things that could go wrong. You could enter early here, you get stopped out. You could enter somewhat here, but then write 10 a.m. news. It's some bullshit. But anyways, I'm just showing you it's possible though. Another day you could have found back-to-back setups. This is on the 2 minute, but I'm gonna show you guys. Wait, daily bias first, I guess. So daily buys here took out major liquidity, looking to see what levels price respects to determine where it wants to go. So that again, it's not very clear, but it's because we're obviously in a downtrend, but there's a lot of room to go up because we have to still fill in this daily fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap, and yeah, just high time frame things that are to the upside that we might reach. But yeah, so ultimately, again, we're in a downtrend, so it's a kind of a bearish bias naturally. But yeah, so this is on the 2 minute because the 1 minute it was very stretched out and a lot of ups and downs, so it was not as clear to see. But you could have, if you went on the 2 minute, or even like you probably would have identified that even if you're on the 1 minute. But it's just easier to see on the 2 minute. So you break structure over here clearly, and then you re-enter into this order block over here. Obviously, this is considered a breaker. So boom, enter into the breaker and order block. You enter here. Your stops are at the top of the order block, which is what I show you guys in multiple of my other videos where to place your stops. That's like, of course, like I've showed in many of my videos. So if you guys haven't watched that yet, you can. But you guys probably understand why my stop is over here. And then the move was actually pretty clean. It went all the way down and obviously hit your take profit. Again, I didn't take it, but yeah, that's just to show you. I just want to damn, bro. Basically, I wanted to come on here just to like talk to you guys. I don't know. I haven't said anything to you in a while, so I don't know if what you thought was going on with my payout and not with my payout, with my funded account, and yeah, just with my life in general and how I'm trading right now. Because of course, these conditions are like crazy. But yeah, last thing I'm gonna show you is so you guys know is like Forex Factory, of course. This is how I have it set up. So I have it only the impacted events is medium impact and high impact news, and only for the USD currency. I put those filters, apply them, and you could see all the news events that you actually have to keep in mind. So last week, bro, this like we're showing you is like all this bullshit. So there was the President Trump 4 p.m. news, which was crazy. For those of you trading the final hour macro, you guys know the day right before this was actually outrageous. And of course, NFP. Oh, sorry. Damn. Where's NFP at? Oh, yeah. NFP Friday over here. You have to keep that into account. That was very important. The ISM PMI is what I showed you guys on the just now on the folder. That was the 10 a.m. news that I was talking about. And then more 10 a.m. news here, which is not a bad thing, but it's just because it's NFP week. So it was crazy. And obviously the Trump um, speech. And obviously with the tariffs and all that, we already know in hindsight what ended up happening. But yeah, this week, so because you're probably watching this maybe when it comes out, you obviously have to realize it's CPI week. FOMC meeting minutes is not like the actual FOMC, like you guys understand what I'm saying. Like there's like some other FOMC, but yeah. Anyways, you still have to keep this in consideration. But it's the 2 p.m. news, and then 8:30. So that's probably not that bad for price, because before you enter, there's a lot of volatility into the markets, which is not a bad thing. PPI another is not bad. Prelim consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. You have to keep in mind that because you're trading probably the AM session. But yeah, that's basically it, bro. Like the rest of this month shouldn't be as bad. And I say that, but bro, there might be tariff news and all that. But yeah, so this obviously you could do this for yourself, but this is what your Forex factory should look like, in my opinion. But yeah, that's it for this video, bro. It was basically just me talking. I don't really know. I just wanted to post a video because it's been like 2 weeks, bro. But yeah, so the funded account's going good. The next video should be a payout video, payout process, all that bullshit that you guys like, bro. But yeah, so after that, I want to get into more videos like IRL videos, maybe stuff like that, or like just showing you guys more things that you guys want to see. But yeah, it's been too big of a break between. Oh, yo, this shit looks weird, but bro. Anyways, too big of a break between like my videos, bro. I really want to start posting more consistently, bro. So yeah, that's it for this video. Keep your head up, bro. Keep being like patient with your trading, even if you haven't taken a trade in a long time, or if you've taken many losses, which I hope you guys haven't. But if you have, then bro, be patient, bro. Stop trading, bro. Only trade one time per session, like I've said in other of my videos. And yeah, just bro, keep your head up, boys. See you guys later. Peace.